Welcome to the Subscription and Membership Bot. This user-friendly tool simplifies managing subscriptions and memberships. With the powerful admin panel, you can control paid channels, track subscribers, manage payments, and customize offerings. Simply log in to access everything you need to streamline your subscription management. To change the admin panel password in the Telegram bot, open the Telegram app and start the bot using your admin account. Select the Change Password option and enter your current password for verification. Next, input a new, secure password, and your admin panel password will be updated. Ensure your new password is strong and keep it confidential to maintain security. To change the welcome message in the subscription bot, navigate to the Settings menu and select the Welcome Message option. Enter your new, clear, and engaging message, then press Enter to save it. The updated welcome message will now be displayed to new subscribers. To change the business name of the bot, navigate to the Settings menu in the admin panel or bot interface. Select the business name option, input the new name you want to assign, and confirm the changes. The updated business name will be reflected across the bot and visible to all users. To view subscriptions and generate reports in the Telegram bot, open the bot with your admin account and navigate to the Subscriptions section. This will display details of active subscribers, their statuses, and expiration dates. To generate subscription reports, go to the admin menu and select Subscription Reports. This will provide insights on active users, expired subscriptions, and other subscriber details. Reports can be customized and exported in CSV or PDF formats. To add or change FAQ options in your Telegram bot, select FAQ, then choose Add FAQ to input a question and answer. You can also remove FAQs if needed. Save all updates, and the new FAQs will be available to users who request them. To change the admin in a Telegram subscriptions bot, log in with your current admin account and navigate to the Settings section. Select Change Admin, then enter the new admin's Telegram username or user ID. Confirm and save the changes. The new admin will have full control over the bot. To add a language option in the admin panel, navigate to Settings and select Language Settings. Choose from the available languages or add a new one by providing the required translations. Save the changes, and the bot will support multiple languages. To provide further assistance, you can add a support email and contact option in your Telegram bot. Navigate to the Settings section and select Support Settings. Here, you can input the support email address and configure a contact option that allows users to reach out for help. Once added, users can easily contact your support team for any inquiries or assistance directly through the bot. Make sure to save the changes to ensure the contact details are updated and accessible to users. To explore the Help option in your Telegram subscription bot, go to the Settings section in the bot's admin panel and find the Help Settings or Help option feature. Here you can input a URL that links to helpful resources such as a FAQ page, user guide, or video tutorials related to the bot. This URL will provide users with easy access to troubleshooting materials and information to better understand how to use the bot. The referral system in your Telegram bot allows users to refer others and earn rewards like discounts or free subscriptions. You can adjust settings such as minimum payout and per referral payout. Each user gets a unique referral link to share, and when someone signs up using it, the referrer is credited. This system helps increase visibility and engagement, while the admin can track referrals and manage rewards in the admin panel. The VIP member option in your subscription bot lets you offer exclusive benefits like premium content, priority support, or discounts. Admins can add, remove, or view VIP members and assign VIP status manually or automatically based on criteria such as payment tiers or referrals. This feature boosts user engagement and incentivizes higher-tier subscriptions. The channel option displays a list of channels connected to the bot. Admins can add new channels or remove existing ones as needed, ensuring seamless management of all linked channels. The promo code option in the bot allows you to add, view, or remove promotional codes. Admins can create codes to offer discounts or special offers, view existing codes, and manage them efficiently through the admin panel. The Exclude Words option in a Telegram bot allows you to filter and block specific words or phrases from being used in the bot's interactions. Admins can set a list of words that should be automatically excluded or flagged, ensuring that the content remains appropriate or adheres to the bot's guidelines. This helps maintain a positive and controlled environment for users by preventing unwanted or inappropriate language from being shared within the bot. You can pin the Telegram bot to groups, making it easily accessible to members by placing it at the top of the chat. This encourages quick interaction and higher engagement with the bot. The Update Currency option in the Telegram bot lets admins manage supported currencies for payments. The bot currently supports dollar, euro, and pound. The Send Announcement option in the Telegram bot allows admins to broadcast messages to all users or specific groups. This feature is useful for sharing updates, promotions, or important information directly with subscribers. Admins can create and send announcements from the bot's admin panel, ensuring effective communication with users. Manual links are generated to help users resolve subscription access issues, such as missing invitation links due to payment errors or offline payments. The bot will request the user's subscription ID to verify payment and prevent unauthorized access. Once verified, the bot generates a manual link, allowing the user to finalize their subscription and access their plan seamlessly. To understand how payment integration works and how plans and categories are created, please watch the video linked in the description box. It provides a step-by-step guide for better clarity. If you enjoyed our video and are interested in purchasing our product, click the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.